Hello, I'm Benoit, COO of Link, and I'm also the Managing Director of Link in France. We have this special occasion, and it's a super occasion to prove that we've been listening to our teams. Last year we did a team building, and what came out of that meeting was that it was essential for the employees to know more about the climate. So we decided to form a workshop, and 3 of the employees working for Link have worked the whole agenda for the day today, which is split into 2. A part where we're more on a theoretical part, listening to the climate fresh. In the afternoon, we're going into practice. We're going actually to an outdoor activity, going kayaking along the River Seine to collect some rubbish.
At Link Mobility, as employers, we feel that we have a responsibility to educate our employees about climate change, about its causes and consequences, so that our linkers can take more informed decisions and put in place concrete actions. That's why we thought that today's Team Building Day would be a great day where they could come together and learn things about climate change, and we're very happy about how it turned out.